This is the euro dollar on the 15, and we have a head and shoulders that's set up with a double top, and we have had an initial structure low here. We have violated the previous outside return, and I've used a 26.18 as an entry. I actually didn't see this trade, so this is one that Cody found, and shout out to you, Cody. I hope this wins. If it doesn't, it's all on you. So daily time frame, we're looking bearish here. So if I put a structure level on just here, then what the market did is we came down to retest that level. We saw a pullback, we came down to it again. So we do have the market in trend here, and if we look left and just move that structure level down, we have actually come straight back down into another level of structure. So not too much for me here on the dailies. Let's go and take a look at the 240, and we have not a fantastic structure area, but we have this structure swap where it was support, we violated, it became resistance, we saw a big move lower and then a big move higher. Now, is there the potential at this stage for us to see a move to retest the lows? Yes, that is a potential. I'd actually play for something a bit more conservative around this level. However, I'm not doing that. I'm being more conservative with the target taking here. If we do go to the 60, you can see our retest here. We've had two lower low, lower close candles, and we've seen a higher high, higher close candle here on the 60. But look at what we've done. If we take our low, we had a move higher, then we saw a pullback. Then we had a new high and a pullback. Then we had a new high and a pullback. But look what we have not done. If I put a structure level in at the closes of the candles, we have not come to retest the previous outside return. And you will find that when you're looking at trends, very often, unless we are in a very directional trend, we will come back down to at least retest the wicks, and we have not done that. Okay, so that's a key sign to me that we could be coming lower here. If we go and take a look at the 15, this is where we're going to see our head and shoulders. And we know that up here we had we've got a double top that's occurred up here, and it has occurred at that structure level. Just look at this, perfectly on that structure level, and we've held it. And from there what we did was we then violated this level of structure. In fact, I'm just going to put a structure level on here so we can see it, and this candle here was a break below, close below. So what that means is that the head and shoulders looks like this. We had a move higher, a pullback, a move higher, and we double topped. From there we saw a break below, close below, and then we're looking for a 26.18 as the entry. So that's 61.8. You can see we've come into it there, and I am then looking for an AB equals CD pattern. So I do love these head and shoulders when we produce a double top with a break below, close below, because it provides a nice reward to risk and a high probability trade. Stops have just gone 5 pips above the high because we have that structure swap. It was support, then it was resistance, and now it's resistance again. So just 5 pips above the high. And what that now means is we are looking at a risk of 19 pips for a reward of 28, and I am front running there just before the completion of that AB equals CD pattern. And we're back for the update on this head and shoulders, and this is a losing trade. So here we have an initial structure low, we pull back for the 26.18, we saw a little bit of a retracement and it just went and lost. So a losing trade there for 19 pips. Just want to say thank you, Cody.